Someone just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to provide every individual with a 5-star experience. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every individual to ensure we meet their expectations. Complete satisfaction is extremely important to our company. We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come see us today. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to contact us at the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.